Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Wieprima Torque Wrench Set. Oh yeah, a torque wrench is really nice to change your tires at summertime or springtime, and of course in the fall or winter time. The Wieprima Torque Wrench goes from 28 up to 210 Newton meter of torque. It comes with an half-inch connection, and it is including four sockets: 17 millimeters, 19 millimeters, 21 millimeters, and 24 millimeters. And these nuts are really the right nuts to remove your tire or rim bolts easily. Of course, you can control each torque by using this torque wrench here. It's no problem. But it's important to use the right torque at a screw or a nut or a bolt as well. And there is more in that set. It's an extension with 125 millimeters. This is to make a bigger range between your tires, for example, and the torque wrench itself. And there is, of course, an hub for a half inch to what is it? I think it's 3/8 inches to use other kind of sockets on it. It is plus minus 4% accuracy. It's a tire branch or a car torque keys, for example, or as well you can use it on bicycles, on installations as well. It comes in silver finish. Of course, you can choose a black finish too if you like. It's in high quality and a non-slip design from 28 up to 210 Newton meter torque. Wrench is made in high quality design. As you can see, the torque wrench with all accessories is made of really nice materials. Hardened chrome vanadium steel. It's rust and corrosion free. This means that the product has an excellent service life, and the special design of the ergonomically designed handle prevents the hand from slipping off the tool during use. And if you like to choose the right torque, you can see there is an information on the grip. You have to loosen the bottom screw a little bit, then you can adjust the torque, and then you can tighten this bottom screw again. Then you set the adjusted Newton meter. Of course, you can go right and left turn by using this torque wrench here, and it comes with a high accuracy of plus minus 4%. The calibration field is in that range of 4% with a clearly defined scale and preselected ratchet tool. And it's really easy to use. By turning the non-slip handle and subsequently fixing using the locking screw, the desired torque values can be set quickly and safely. With the switch lever, we can easily change the ratchet function from left to clockwise rotation. That means you can use this tool to check clockwise, of course. This is the standard way. And of course, anti-clockwise. That's awesome. When the pre-selected torque is reached, a clearly audible and tactile click signal is noticeable. So then you reach the torque which you adjust before. And then you can be sure that the bolt or the screw is nice tightened. And for this, a torque wrench is made to check your screws, to check your bolts, to check your fixing things. This set is ideal for screwing during assembly work and other mechanical works too. for cars, bicycle repairs, wheel change, and maintenance work on cars, SUVs, vans, mechanical engineering, and the automotive industry. So you can see this range here with the torque range, with that torque range from 28 to 210 Newton meter is a big range, which you can use it universally. In the box is one torque wrench, half and half inch, and four sockets 17, 19, 21, and 24. And there is plus one 125 millimeter extension. And what I'm going to really like is an adapter, an half inch to 3/8 inch. This you can use to use other screws, other nuts, other bolts, which you can use the more different sizes of them, because it's a standard way, an half inch, and of course, what was the other 3/8 inches, which you can use on a big range of checking the torch on balls, for example. This here is really nice designed and nice to use Wieprima Torque Wrench Set from 28 up to 210 Newton meter with a half inch. Oh yeah. And in the box are four sockets. Of course, you can use your own sockets from home too. This is awesome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.